Hey guys, my name's Ben, and today I'm wrenching on my 2008 Infiniti FX35. We're just doing a quality of life repair on the sun visor clip, and I'm going to get in and show you what mine looks like. So the visor's loose, the plastic piece that holds it in is missing, and so mine just pops out. So I want to replace that. It's a $12 part, I'll link it in the description. I already replaced my passenger side one, so it fits in there pretty well, and I want to get this one switched out too. So let's do that. The tool I use is a trim removal tool, but you actually don't need any tools for this, and I'm going to show you why. So this is the plastic trim removal tool that I tried to use. This one was a little too thick, so I couldn't get it wedged in there to pry it out. So I'm actually going to switch to my metal trim removal tool, and this one's thinner and it's made of metal, so I was able to use that to pry out the old one, but I actually broke it when I pried it out, and I'm going to show you why you actually don't need any tools to do this. But I broke mine out. It really didn't matter because I was going to replace it anyway, but you don't have to break it to get it out. So the new part has these two plastic clips that go in, and I didn't realize this when I was taking it out. So it's actually got these vertical openings, and those clips are going to go into those vertical openings. So you can just rotate the new one 90 degrees, put it in with the clips along those openings, and then once you've got it inserted all the way, you can just turn it and it stays in there tight. So that's all there is to replacing this, but you can see how you could just reverse that process to remove the old one without having to break it. Like I said, I'll link the part in the description below, and also link the trim removal tool in case you decide to do it the same way I did, but you really don't have to. You could just rotate the old one 90 degrees until those clips line up with that vertical slot, and then it should just come right out. That's it for today. Please check out one of my other videos, and thanks for watching.